Start by imagining a category-defining battery. Now, what if you wanted to create the ultimate category-defining EV truck? How would you build it? You'd start by building it around the Ultium platform. You'd give it four-wheel steering to get around tight corners. You'd give it lots of storage space and a large bed with a flexible bed-to-cab pass-through, and a trunk in the front to hold almost anything you can imagine. You'd give it over 660 horsepower, up to 20,000 pounds of max towing, over 400 miles of range on a full charge, and the capability to tackle almost anything on or off the road. You'd add the Ultify software platform and make it smarter today, tomorrow, and into the future. You'd make it really stylish and aerodynamic. And in the end, what would you have? Maybe you wouldn't just have a truck. Maybe you'd have a category unto itself. And that is the Ultium effect.